Few things are as satisfying as a perfectly cooked steak. The sizzling sound, the rich aroma, and that juicy, tender bite, it's pure magic. But how do you achieve steak perfection at home? Is it about the cut, the seasoning, or the cooking method? Spoiler alert, it's all of these and more. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind cooking the perfect steak. From choosing the best cuts to mastering pro-level techniques, you'll learn everything you need to know to impress anyone who loves great food. Stick around, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and let's get cooking. Choosing the right cut. The foundation of a perfect steak. 1. Why the cut matters. Every steak cut offers a unique texture, flavor, and cooking style. And some cuts shine on the grill, others thrive in a skillet. 2. Top cuts to know. Ribeye. Known for its rich marbling and intense flavor, perfect for grilling or pan searing. Filet mignon. Lean, buttery, and luxurious, great for those who love tender steaks. And New York strip. A balance of tenderness and chew, ideal for quick and simple cooking. A T-bone porterhouse. Combines the best of both worlds with a strip and tenderloin in one cut. Sirloin. Affordable and versatile, great for weeknight meals. Pro tip, look for marbling, the small white streaks of fat running through the meat. More marbling equals more flavor and juiciness. Preparing your steak, the art of seasoning and prepping. 1. Room temperature rule. Take your steak out of the fridge 30 minutes before cooking to ensure even cooking. 2. The magic of salt. Season generously with coarse sea salt on both sides. This not only flavors the steak, but also helps tenderize it. And for an extra juicy steak, try dry brining. Salt your steak a few hours before cooking and let it rest in the fridge. 3. Adding complexity. Use black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even a touch of cayenne for an extra kick. 4. To oil or not to oil. Lightly coat the steak with a high smoke point oil like avocado or vegetable oil to aid in browning. Cooking methods. Find your perfect style. 1. Cast iron skillet. 1. The cast iron retains heat like a champ, giving your steak a deep golden brown crust. 2. Preheat the pan until it's smoking hot. Then sear each side for about 2-3 minutes. 3. For thicker cuts, finish in the oven at 375 degrees, 190 degrees. 2. Grilling. 1. Perfect for adding smoky flavors and grill marks. 2. Use direct heat for searing, then move to indirect heat to cook through. 3. Sous vide. 1. A foolproof method for cooking steak evenly. 2. Vacuum seal the steak and cook it in a water bath at the desired temperature, at 130 degrees 54 degrees size for medium rare. Then sear for a crusty finish. 4. Reverse sear. 1. Start by cooking the steak in the oven at a low temperature. Then finish with a quick, high-heat sear in a pan or on the grill. The perfect sear. Mastering the golden crust. 1. What is searing? And the Maillard reaction is your friend. It's the browning of proteins and sugars that creates that mouth-watering crust. 2. How to sear like a pro. Preheat your pan or grill to high heat. Place the steak on the hot surface and let it sit. Don't move it around. Flip once a crust forms, about 2-3 minutes. 3. Basting for extra flavor. Add butter, garlic, and herbs, like rosemary or thyme, to the pan. Use a spoon to baste the steak with melted butter as it cooks. Pro tip. For thicker steaks, sear the edges by holding the steak upright with tongs. This locks in the juices. Doneness. Hitting the perfect temperature. 1. Use a meat thermometer to avoid guessing. Rare. 120-125 degrees, 49-52 degrees. Medium rare. 130-135 degrees, 54-57 degrees. Medium. 140-145 degrees, 60-63 degrees. Well done. 160 degrees plus 71 degrees. Visual cues. A medium rare steak will feel like the fleshy part of your thumb when pressed lightly. Resting and carving. The final steps. 1. Why resting is crucial. Rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite juicy and flavorful. 2. How to slice. Always carve against the grain to shorten the muscle fibers, making the steak more tender. Beyond the basics, take your steak to the next level. 1. Flavored butters. Compound butters with herbs, garlic, or blue cheese can elevate any steak. 2. Marinades and rubs. Experiment with soy sauce, honey, garlic, and chili for a bold Asian-inspired marinade. 3. Steak sauces. Chimichurri, peppercorn sauce, or a simple red wine reduction can add a gourmet touch. 4. Pairings. Serve with garlic mashed potatoes, roasted Brussels sprouts, or creamy spinach. And pair with a bold red wine like Malbec or a hoppy IPA for the ultimate steak dinner experience. And there you have it. Everything you need to cook the perfect steak every time. Whether you're grilling, searing, or Sous viding, these tips and techniques will make you the star of any meal. What's your favorite steak cut or cooking method? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow foodies. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.